Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be talking about my experience on Medium and how I got started on Medium writing to earn an income. I wouldn't call it passive income at this stage because it's still at the kind of early stages. Although I've been on the platform for about a year, I've only started to take it seriously for the last 4 months. It's because I got started on Medium at the same time I was starting my KDP publishing business and kind of leaving Etsy on the side, juggling 2 schools at the same time, and I'm also a stay-at-home mom, and I study online as well. So a lot of things have been happening lately. So I first got to know about Medium about a year ago, and I kind of juggled around with it. I saw a couple of videos, read articles, but I've only started taking it seriously the last 4 months, only after I have been consistent with being a Medium member, which in order to be a Medium member, you need to pay $5 per month, and this will entitle you to a unlimited access to Medium articles, and it will help to build your network, gain followers, and get enough reads to get paid. So when I first started on Medium, it was quite easy, to be honest, to join because the criteria was simple. You make an account, you make a Stripe account also to get paid. Now you have to be belonging to the listed acceptable countries with Stripe in order to be approved, unfortunately. So there's a long list of countries which I will include the link in the description box below. You can check it out. I got started that way, and then you get paid straight away. But now Medium has changed, unfortunately, but it's not that hard. The criteria that has changed is that you would need 100 followers and have published 1 story or 1 piece, let's say. It doesn't need to be a specific word count for that. Minimum 150 words, let's say, and 100 followers, and then you can apply for the Medium partnership program, which will entitle you to get paid. Now, this is the Medium partner program, and your earnings also depend on the member read time. So just recently, a couple of months ago, Medium has also introduced a different way, an additional way of getting paid, and that is by having referred member earnings. So you earn around $2.80 for each member that joins Medium membership program, the $5 per month, using your link as a writer. So that way I've got 3 members right now joining Medium under my link, which they found using reading one of my articles from Google and deciding to join as a Medium member. So you can write for Medium without being a member. There's no problem with that. But of course, once you become a member, that will entitle you to read unlimited number of articles, which will kind of expand your followers and get people to know you, and they'll follow you back and read your stuff, which will make you grow, basically. So this is my account on Medium, thatholisticmom.com, and you can read what I have written there. I will include a link to my profile in the description box below. As you can see, I write mainly psychology-based articles, as well as business, because I am studying smart industry at the moment. But it's all open for you to write whatever you want, as long as it's not anything racist or anything just horrible and nasty. So this is my earnings just for December, and it did take me quite a while to earn that much, as you can see. So let's have a look right here. I started in November 2020. My earnings were 0, as you can see right here. And then I kind of wrote 1 or 2 articles. We'll have a look right now how much I wrote. And then it went in December last year to 50 cents. And then again, 22 cents. It was a really hard time in the first maybe 4 or 5 months because I didn't take it seriously. And I was like on and off. And there were times I was a Medium member and I stopped being a Medium member, which entitled me to only one article per month to read if you are not a Medium member. So that really limits you, and it limits your networking with other writers as well. So on month 3, I did 22 cents. Month 4, 105. Now, mind you, I think I had, let me see how much articles I had. So on November, I wrote 3 articles. What I learned, holistic methods and effective methods to get rid of acne scars. So that was what I wrote, and I earned 0. And that was when I was not a Medium member, so I wasn't paying the $5 per month. And then on December last year, I still had these 3 articles, so I didn't have any additional articles that I written. And as you can see here, this article right there, it was my first earner, effective methods to get rid of acne scars. In the second month, it earned 44 cents. This one earned 5 cents, holistic methods. And that was because I was reading 1 or 2 articles, of course, from December to November. I wasn't a Medium member then. And then the 2 or 3 people read my articles. In January, this one made 22 cents. These ones, nothing. Of course, I didn't write any additional articles in that 3 months. It was only that 3 that I started off with. So we have February. Yay, my first dollar. 73 cents. This was my first time I was earning from this article right there. 12 cents, 11 cents, and 9 cents. So that was pretty exciting to have my first dollar. I was still not a Medium member at this stage. And then March was 80 cents for this article, 58 cents for this one, 57, 37, and yes, I did include during March. So these are the first 1, 2, and 3. These are the first articles. So in March, I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 additional articles. I wrote to my existing 3 articles in March. So that was really nice to have that handy. And it was $3. So that was great. And I was actually a Medium member. I was paying the $5. So to me, that was still nice, but it still didn't cover my $5 fee. So I was really opting in that February to March to really make at least $5 on the platform. I wasn't engaging too much with other writers, to be honest. I wasn't reading too much. It was more like just write these articles, read 1 or 2 articles from other writers, and then just move on with life. So I've learned a lot since then, as you can see with the difference in earnings. In March it was $2.97, and in April was 16 and 5 cents. So then what happened during March and April, in between that time, from around $3 to $16, I continued to be a Medium member, but I also started reading more about other people's writings. And as you can see here, my first article has made $3. This is the first one that I've wrote since I started, and I also wrote additional articles like this one. I wrote this article right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 articles, 7 additional articles I wrote. I engaged a lot with members, and this was my earnings. So to me, that was great. From coming from the last month, which was only $2.97, and it did cover my fees for Medium. So coming from April, on May, I made $3.86. Wow, that's like a big downhill from April to May, from $16 to nearly $4. It's because I didn't write more articles. I stayed on the articles that I have. Yes, I wrote 1 article and it was deleted. I deleted that article because I didn't see a use in publishing it, to be honest. So that was the income right there for that month. And why did it go downhill? It was because I fell off track. I didn't write more articles. and I just left it as it is, and I did become a member. So I was like up and down in between. Yeah, 2 months I'm a member, and then I would cancel my membership. And looking back at it now, I don't see why I did that. It doesn't make sense to me at all, because I could have just been consistent with that $5, and but you learn from your mistakes, and that's what's lovely about it. In June, $2.29. In July, $4. So I decided to become a medium member. From July onwards, August was again $4. And then September, $7. October, $15. And November, my highest earning month on medium was on November. And as you can see here, I joined on November and I earned $0. And then within 1 year, I earned 87 cents for 1 month, which is awesome, and I'm really happy for that. And I did earn my first 2 paying members that joined Medium using my link, so I'm quite grateful for that, and I hope that that continues to grow in the upcoming months. So what did I do to jump from, let's say, October to November? As you can see, October, $15, November, $87. I was more consistent in my writing. I added much more articles in November than I did in October, and I added around 15 or so articles. I tried to write consistently every day, but life takes its toll on you, and I was doing a 6-week horrible internship at that time. It took a really big toll on my mental health. So I also have a YouTube channel talking about holistic natural remedies and what I do and what I've learned in terms of natural health and well-being and mindfulness. So in this way, in November, I looked at the videos that I had and I repurposed them. I wrote the transcript and I wrote them into an article, like for example here, what we purchased from Morocco, and this has been one of the good articles right here, what we purchased from Morocco. It was basically a repurposed post from my video that I posted on YouTube about 2 years ago when we traveled to Agadir. As you can see here, sorry, the net is pretty low, and these are once the other readers highlight a piece, it usually stays that way, which is great. And then I link to other articles that I've written, which really helps with reads as well. There's the claps. Every medium member can clap a maximum of 50 claps, and the comments are right there, so that's really nice. And I also took out the videos that I have from my YouTube channel and I posted them right there. Tried to, as much as I can, to break it into different subheadings, and ended up with a question at the end to really entice people to kind of answer, and then a little bit of call to action, subscribing to the channel, and a little bit about me. So that was pretty much it. And now let's have a look at where I am right now, just to sum up. Sorry about the slowness. As we said, 3 paying members to join Medium, and I wish them the best of luck. And of course, I get the notification right there when someone does become a member using my link, so I support them. I read their content. I go and send them some private message to help in kind of letting them know that they're supported in their journey, and following them, and just checking up on them every now and then. So that's good. My highest paying article till this date is this one, how much I earned on KDP selling lined notebooks. I've earned in December $24 for that. Another one is maximum KDP account termination is $10. So I hope that continues to grow. And as of now, I have $79, and these are the referred member earnings. So thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. And if you want to join Medium as a writer and join as a member using my link, know that you will be supported, and I will be in contact with you and follow you and make sure that you are on the right track. If you need any help, if you use my link, thank you so much for watching till the end. I will include a link to join Medium membership program in the description box below. Thank you so much and take care and have a great day. All the best. Bye bye.